Center Science Agreement with ISRO launches new water research initiative to strengthen water resource management. In a major step towards strengthening India's water security and promoting technology-driven governance, the Ministry of Jal Shakti and the Indian Space Research Organisation ISRO signed a Memorandum of Understanding (MOU) to expand the use of satellite technology and space-based applications for water resource management across the country. The agreement was signed during the National Workshop on Research and Development (R&D) in the water sector held at Dr. Ambedkar International Center, New Delhi. The initiative marks a significant collaboration aimed at addressing India's growing water challenges through scientific innovation, data-driven monitoring, and sustainable resource planning. Ministry of Jal Shakti and ISRO join hand. Under the newly signed agreement, the Department of Water Resources and ISRO will jointly work on the 24 priority research areas to improve water management capabilities. Key focus areas include reservoir monitoring, water spread assessment, river flow analysis, satellite-based water quality assessment, groundwater monitoring, flood forecasting studies, and macroplastic distribution in water bodies. The collaboration is expected to strengthen the use of real-time satellite data for efficient water planning and decision-making. Water security critical for Viksit Bharat 2047. Addressing the workshop, Union Jal Shakti Minister C.R. Patil highlighted the importance of water security in achieving India's long-term development goals. According to the Minister, water security is a foundational requirement for realizing the vision of Viksit Bharat by 2047, and future solutions must combine technology and innovation, traditional knowledge, public participation, sustainable practices. He noted that the ministry has supported 113 research projects during the last decade, helping generate practical solutions for the water sector. Launch of the Jal Sanchay Jan Bhagidari campaign phase 3rd. During the event, the government also launched the third phase of the Jal Sanchay Jan Bhagidari JSJB campaign. A major target announced under the campaign includes creation of 2 crore water conservation structures between June 2026 and May 2027. The minister informed that the previous phase had already crossed 1.5 crore water conservation structure, reflecting strong public participation. Maha Water Program and Bharat WIN introduced. The workshop also witnessed the launch of the Mission for Advancement in High Impact Areas Maha Water Program, introduced jointly by the Ministry of Jal Shakti and the Anusandhan National Research Foundation ANRF. The program aims to support multi-institutional research projects, collaboration among academic institutions, industry partnership, startup participation, laboratory-based innovation. Additionally, an open call for startups and MSMEs was announced under the Bharat Water Innovation Network to accelerate innovation in the water sector. ISRO to expand space-based water management. Speaking at the event, ISRO Chairman and Department of Space Secretary V. Narayanan said that the space technology offers